Step into the world of home barista excellence, where every morning is a coffee shop experience right in your own kitchen. Our star player, this Breville Barista Express espresso machine. Why is it worth every penny, you ask? Well, first off, it's all about the quality. This machine boasts top-tier brewing technology, ensuring a smooth and rich espresso shot every time. Featuring the Impress Puck system for manual espresso making made easy, this machine also has intelligent dosing and precision measurement. The coffee and espresso are rich, smooth, and made perfectly amazing. However, the experience is even better. The aroma of fresh ground beans, the sound of the machine whirring to life, it's a sensory delight that starts your day off right. And let's not forget the savings. Think about that daily coffee shop run. Now imagine all that cash staying in your pocket. Right now, Amazon is offering up to $200 off of this espresso machine. Click the link in the description now to buy or add it to your Amazon favorites list. So, for the love of espresso, elevate your morning with this all-in-one espresso machine. Because great coffee isn't a luxury, it's a way of life. Click the link in description.